Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another rebuild video. And in today's video, we're going to be rebuilding Milwaukee Bucks. But before we get into that, can you please smash the subscribe button? Also like this video for more videos. But yeah, this is going to be a different video. I ain't going to be doing any face cam or anything like that today. But yeah, basically, yeah, I'm just going to be rebuilding the Milwaukee Bucks. But yeah, I'll see you once we get to the off season. We are in, well, it is the off season, but not really. Look at our roster: Giannis, Chris Middleton, Eric Bledsoe, Dante, Evansino, all that stuff. You already know how it is. But yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get for this guy, and Eric Bledsoe, because we kind of need a shooting guard slash, um, yeah. Yeah, Zach LaVine, possibly. So far, they're only like really good insane trade. Spencer Dinwiddie, kind of a good offer. Lonzo, not really looking for it. Derrick Rose and Blade. I would take it, but kind of can't. Rui Hachimura. Actually, I'm gonna take the Zach LaVine trade real quick. See how this goes. Not really sure how it's gonna go, but very curious. This is our lineup right now. But yeah, it's sim a little bit of the season and see how it goes. So currently we are, I think, like what's our record? 12 and 13. Not too bad, not too bad, but we are not doing the greatest. I think what we probably need to do is, I'm not very sure. We might have to get rid of Brook Lopez, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if we can get anything for Brook Lopez and see if we can make any good trades out of this. Probably not, because I'm the one making the trades and I'm not very good at making the trades. Currently not seeing anything that's really catching my eye. And nor do I think anything is going to catch my eye. Yep, unfortunately we don't have anyone like outstanding. Let's see what we can get for JJ Barea and Brook Lopez. Who knows, we might get a good player. Pat Bev, Kelly Olynyk, which we always get. Maybe. Well, no, we can't do that. Kentavious Cabo-Poe? No, man, but I need like a center right now. Monte Morris, point guard. We're getting some good players, but they're not really what I need. Okay, we're going to try this out. Do I think it's going to be good? Heck no, this is going to be terrible. But, I mean, it could be worse. I mean, it could be worse. We're going to simulate a little bit more. See how it goes. So we are currently 30 and 16, which is pretty dang good. I'm just going to simulate to the end of the season. So yeah, see you then. $57 and 25. Giannis MVP, not surprising. Zion Rookie of the Year, Dennis Schroeder Sixth Man, Rudy Gobert's Defensive Player of the Year, Bam Adebayo, and Tyrone Lue with 63-19. That's a pretty good, dang good record. Yeah, you can look at all this stuff. Really, basically about the same and all that. Okay, so we are a 1 seed against the Indiana Pacers. Let's just simulate the round. Okay, we're down 2-0. 1-2, 2-2, 3-2, 3-3. Huh? How was we eliminated in the first round, bro? I don't know how we was eliminated in the first round. To be fair, honestly, I don't know what else I could do to this team, honestly, to make it any better. I'm honestly shocked. I'm so shocked at that. Man, I don't know. And the Clippers won the championship. Who does Anthony Davis even play for? I don't know who Anthony Davis plays for. So what we could do, like, look at our team. Chris Middleton, Zach LaVine, Blake Griffin, whoever the frick that is. Who is our starters right now? Okay. Wait, what? Where's Giannis? Giannis ain't even here. Yeah, bro, Giannis isn't even on the team anymore, apparently. Free agents. This is weird. Where's Giannis? Why does our best player just go up and leave us? Okay, we really can't do a whole lot. I'm just gonna do this, see if we can get anything out of it. Still let me view my offers. I'm gonna do this. Feel like this would be an alright trade. We need a star point guard. Where's our point guard at? Taco Fall. Let's pick up Pat Bev. There you go. We're gonna try this out for a few games, and yeah. Six and 8. Not really sure what to really do. Thinking about trading some of our players. Like, see, switching them two out. And seeing if I can get something for Kelly Olynyk and who was I wanting to trade? I guess Rudy Gay. We really don't got a good center right now, to be honest with you. I don't know what else I could do to this team. I'm not very good at rebuilding, especially when I don't have like a really good player to build around. So, kind of at a disadvantage. Okay, we're gonna try this out for a few games. I'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna simulate before the All-Star game. We're 28-25. We're almost at the trade deadline, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get some trades in and whatnot. Pat Bev, Chris Middleton. Okay, I already know what I'm probably gonna trade. Okay, Tyrese Maxey. Carmelo Anthony and George Hill. What? Oh, yep, I'm taking that. Alright, well, it's simulated to the end of the season. No more trades left to do for us right now, but yep. We're at the end of the season, 41-41, not a very good season. Ball Rookie of the Year, 6th Man of the Year. Yeah. I don't even think we even made playoffs. Shoot, I don't even think we made playoffs. And we didn't. I'm not even going to simulate the end of the season because you guys are probably bored of this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Also like this video for future videos. Don't forget to comment down below who do you want me to rebuild next and give me some tips and all that and how to get better at this stuff. But yeah, see you in the next one.